Here is where we make all the Formula One car. All the parts are made here. Many different departments, left and right. Hello, afternoon. Here on the left, there is the composite room. So everything has to be very clean. Everything has to be very precise because they made all the parts of our car, all the carbon parts. So the front wing, the rear wing, the dashboards, the side pods, everything is made here. And it has to be a certain temperature, certain humidity, and not all of us we can enter there. You need to be, with a special clothing. This is the machine room. Is where all stars, all the fabrics, every single part of the car is made in-house.
Obviously there's lots of lubricants, lots of coolants, lots of fluids used within the machine shop. Again, this is where the Castrol partnership goes way beyond what we just do at the track in the engine. A lot of the fluids here, again, Castrol industrial lubricants that are just used to really drive the factory as well as the car.
We do these kind of things. A solid block, goes in, and it ended up like that. It's amazing.
It's not traditional machining, it's wire eroding. So effectively using a wire to cut metals. The advantage of this is it gives us a very good metallic finish. We don't need other post-processing operations, just super quality, super fast, accurate and repeatable.
So as you saw, there are very sophisticated parts here. They have to be very light, very performing. I think in Formula One you can see the best people and the cleverest people on earth, on every department. They are the best of the best. The level of expertise, the level of knowledge and creativity that we have in a Formula One team is something unreal.